Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use concatenate function in LibreOffice Calc. So if you would like to do it for this data, we need to click on the cell on the right side of the first row, and after that I need to type here equal sign, and I need to type here concatenate. After that I open the bracket, I need to click on the text. Now I type comma, I select the second text, I type comma, I select the third text, I type comma, I select the fourth text, and I close the bracket. Now I press enter, and all data from the row will be inserted here on this one cell. So if you would like to apply this modification and function to another rows, you need to click on this cell, you need to press and hold left mouse button on the blue box, and you need to move your position of the cursor to the downside. But if you would like to have space between each word, you need to click double time on the cell that you want to edit. And now we need to modify our function. So I click after first comma, I type here quotation mark, and I again type here quotation mark. Then I press comma, and I repeat this action after each cell. So again I type here quotation mark, I press space, I type quotation mark, and I type here comma. And the same action here. I type here quotation mark, I press space from my keyboard, I type quotation mark, and I press comma. Okay, now I can press enter, and how you see we have space between each word. If we would like to apply the same effect for other rows, we need to click on this one cell, then I press and hold left mouse button on the blue box, and I change position of the cursor to the downside. Then effect will be successfully applied here, so in this way you can try to use this function in LibreOffice Calc. So if I helped you to use concatenate function, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.